decided just to take these off. I think I might have a spare one of these, this rocker assembly, at home in the workshop, so I should check that. It rings a bell, I've got an entire section of one of these, so I'll check that. Now that, you unscrew these screws, all 4 of them, lift up the washer. That's the knackered one, look at the state of that. You see that? Put them in your, then this lifts off like that. That's your what do you call it, a valve train, is it? These are your valves. All this can be cleaned up. Now for those enthusiasts out there, we have a number 6. Come around this way. Otherwise on the telly it's going to go upside down. Number 6 SM, that says that's Morris, and 2, what's that say? 2A620, I think. 20629 or something. I'm sure you'll be able to tell me what that is. So we'll clean all that up. You store all your pushers in there, so you know what you're doing. So when you come to put them back, they come in the same bloody holes. Anyway, that's it.